Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is February 1st or day 1 of the next 7 days of Valentine's. That is my segment on this channel. I'm very excited for today. I have a very special DIY for you guys that's so close to my heart because this is one of my favorite gifts to give my boyfriend or my friends or my family members, and I think you would enjoy it. I think it's a very thoughtful gift that can be understated but also made your own. So you know it is a special day when I wear my red lip because I never wear red lipstick, so I'm kind of liking it. I think I need to bring out the red lip a little bit more often. Also, ignore my voice. I am a bit sick and it's just kind of going away from me today, so that's a little bad. But I am ready for love and February. I'm ready to rock this month. If you haven't already seen my other 2 videos, go ahead and check those out. Like and subscribe, of course, and now we will get right into the video. So the first DIY I have for you guys is my favorite thing ever. It is a mixed CD. Yes, I just went there. So there are a couple things you are going to need. They are right here. Scissors, a laptop, preferably a Mac, because you're going to need to burn the disc, and it is easiest to do so on here. You will also need a blank CD, a CD cover or case or any type of sleeve you have, a printer, and some construction paper, and also some sort of pen. A Sharpie works really well, especially on all types of paper. Then grab your laptop and head on to YouTube, and there you will search for one of your favorite songs or anything that you want to include on this disc for your boyfriend, friend, family member, anything. So go ahead, search this song. Make sure to scroll through the song for a little bit and just make sure there's no weird noises or anything like that. I like to go all the way to the end to make sure there isn't dead noise. Then you are going to copy that link. Make sure you have it copied. Make sure it is the right link. Then you're going to Google YouTube to MP3. There's a couple different websites that you can use. Whichever website you use is fine. It will get all your songs, and all your songs will be downloaded in iTunes. Make sure you put those into a playlist that you like. Title it something fun. Mine was very basic, just a B-Day mix. There you can arrange your songs in any order you would like. As you can tell, I kind of took my time arranging the CD. Then after that, you're going to want to put the blank disc into your laptop. This is the time to shine. This is when you will go to up on the settings and click burn playlist to disk, and it will take care of the rest of it for you. It will initialize, then you'll see it saying burning the disc. If there's no errors, it should look like this in the end. With all your songs, I like to play it either in a car or in a stereo. Make sure all the kinks are out of it and it listens well. Now comes the fun part, decorating what will ultimately hold your finished and final CD. You can use a sleeve like this. I decided to use a CD case, so go to your printer and choose a picture or any image that you would like to print out to use as the cover of your CD. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. I chose a picture of me and my boyfriend. After cutting the picture to the right size, this is what it can look like. You can slip it into the CD case or anything that you have, and this is the finished product. It's very cute. If you want to fancy it up, go ahead and add some construction paper inside with a cute little message, anything that you would like to say, or you can even list out the song. Of course, if you don't want to go through the trouble of making a CD, a playlist is always very nice. So Spotify has some really good already done playlists that you can just pick and choose from. So just make sure to name a playlist whatever you like, and then after that, go ahead and copy the link of your playlist so that way you're able to send it to whoever you want. It can be a girl's mix, a guy's mix, whatever you want it to be, any type of music you want, which is why I love this project and I think it's very versatile. Of course, if you do not have a Spotify subscription, you can always go to YouTube. It is a perfect way and the easiest way to make a playlist that you can share with everybody. So go ahead, pick your songs. Rihanna is a queen. Love on the Brain is a great song. So I decided I would choose this for a Valentine's Day playlist. Just go ahead and create a playlist. Name it, again, anything you want. This was Happy Valentine's Day. What else? I'm so basic. I'm sorry. Drum roll please, this is your bonus DIY of today. This is what it looks like. It's just a cute little keychain that I think is honestly a perfect gift for everybody. What you will need is scissors, a little keychain ID, some construction paper, a printer, and your laptop, of course. I got these at the 99-cent store, very inexpensive. There was 6 of them, and this is what it looks like. They took me longer to get open, more longer than I'd like to admit. Make sure to save that little white paper because you're going to need it to measure and make sure you're accurately sizing your pictures. I again chose this picture of me and my boyfriend because it was easy. Then I printed it out. This is the printed copy, and just lined up the papers together and started cutting out the piece so that it would fit perfectly into this little keychain ID. It may need some trimming here and there, so just go ahead and clean it up whenever you need to, and so that way it's perfect for the person that you give it to. Here is the finished product. I'm obsessed with these and I want to make 1,000. I think I'm gonna go to the 99-cent store and get some more, honestly. You can also spice it up by cutting out a little piece of construction paper and writing a little quote in it, or keeping that little strip of white paper and writing a special message for somebody in there as well. You can do so much things with this project. I think it is, again, so versatile, like the CD. Here are the finished products all together. Honestly, I am so in love with them and I cannot wait to give them out this year for Valentine's Day. So any of my friends watching, get out of this video. Why are you even watching it? So unfortunately, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful for you, and I hope you're able to use this project in the future. As you can see, it's very cheap and also very thoughtful at the same time. So let me know if you liked it, leave some likes, leave some comments, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. There will be more videos in the next 6 days about beautiful DIY projects and perhaps a lookbook for those of you who are wondering. What else do I have to say? A CD is a very thoughtful idea always. It lets your person know, and everyone likes to listen to music, so I think it'll be a good gift idea. Anyways, as always, you guys have a great rest of your day.